Hi students, I'm going to show you how you can find your assignments online for school. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you're using Google Chrome. That's the best browser to use for all the school things we're going to be doing. So open Google Chrome, it'll probably take you to the FCPS website. You can start by going to our class website, which is tinyurl.com/Schaefer4. You'll have to log into your Google account. It'll ask for your username and your password, or if you've already logged in before, you might just have to click on your account. So here's my FCPS Google account, and this is our class website. So our website has lots of information for you. Anything you'll need for this school year for us being virtual is on our website. Where you can find our assignments, there's two places. You can either click up at the top of the screen where it says assignments, or you can click on this circle button that says assignments. So assignments are your independent work that you'll have each day to do, including on Mondays when we don't have class. So you'll go to assignments, and here for each day of the week, you'll see your work. Right now I just have the assignment for the first day of school, which is Tuesday, ready to go. So on the day that you need your assignment, you'll just click on that. And then it'll take you to Google Classroom. Again, it might ask you to log in, so I have to just choose my account. And it takes you straight into Google Classroom, right to the assignment. Here it is, Back to School Selfie. So to work on this, you'll just click here. And there's your assignment. You're going to type some things in about yourself. And when you're done, pretend like you finished writing everything and you're all finished. You need to go back to the previous tab in Google Classroom to turn in your assignment. So up here at the top where you see that chalkboard icon, you're going to go back there. And I'm a teacher, so my screen looks a little bit different. But for you guys, over here on the right side, there's going to be a button that says Turn In. You would click Turn In, and then that turns in your assignment to me, and I get to see everybody's work that's turned in. I'll look at it and I'll return it back to you. So that's how you can find your assignments on our website. You can also, from our website, if you want to just go straight to Google Classroom and see everything that we have, make sure you're logged in with your Google account. This takes you straight to our Google Classroom. I did that on our website. At the bottom of every page is this chalkboard. That's the Google Classroom symbol. You can always click on that and it takes you straight to our classroom. Here's our classroom. This first page has some announcements, and all of your work is always here under classwork. And that's where this first assignment is, Back to School Selfie. So that's another way to get to your assignments. One last way, if you don't have any of that open and you're in the FCPS website, you can log into your G Suite account, your FCPS Google, by clicking G Suite. Then you'll see your drive. You'll click the 9 dots at the top and click Classroom. You'll have to choose our class, Mrs. Schaefer's class, and it brings you back here. So that's another way to get to our classroom where all of your assignments are. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment in Google Classroom or send me an email if you need extra help.